What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be finishing up bodywork on the Z so we can go ahead and get this thing painted. If you guys missed the last one, we went ahead and did the color reveal and we also started painting the jams. So make sure you guys check that one out. But guys, the color looks so good. We're so excited to get the whole car painted and put everything back together and get this car back on the streets. So Blaine went ahead and started refinishing the front fenders. We're just going over it again with Bondo and sanding everything down, just making sure that it's super smooth because we have been going drifting, so the car is a little bit beat up, and just make sure that everything is primed and ready to get painted. So let's go ahead and get started.
Alright guys, so I'm on the last fender. I got it pretty much smoothed out. There's these little marks here, but I will be filling them with glazing putty. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and prime it, let it dry, and then I'll probably block sand it one more time, and then it should be ready for paint. Alright guys, so I'm going to be working on the back bumper now. A lot of people ask what rear bumper this is. So this is actually the stock rear bumper. All I did was I cut it, like the bottom section, and I dropped it down about 2 inches. And then later on, I actually went ahead and grabbed the IS250 diffuser off of eBay. And then I cut it up and I made it fit this rear bumper. If you try to just buy the RS250 bumper, it's gonna be way too wide for the rear end of this car. So you're gonna have to cut it up and make it fit to how you want. So if you can tell, the shape is a little bit different, but I took the main parts and then I shrunk it down to fit the bumper. So this is a custom rear bumper. You're not gonna find it anywhere else. This is a one-off bumper that I made. A lot of people love it and it's my creation. So in case you guys are wondering, I get a lot of DMs about it. That's what bumper this is. It's my own custom bumper. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish smoothing it out. So I guess some of the fiberglass and stuff started shrinking, so I'm gonna go ahead and just touch it over once more. That way we can get it ready for this new color change. So today we're gonna be prepping the car for paint. We're gonna be pretty much priming the whole car white primer because as I learned when I went ahead and sprayed the jams, the paint is a little bit transparent, so it takes a lot of coverage just to get everything to look even. So we went ahead and bought some white primer, which we're gonna be priming the whole car because as you guys can see, some of the primer is gray. Normally I don't prime the car before I spray it, especially if I don't do body work, but for some reason the reducer inside this kit that I'm using, it's actually eating up at the spray paint that was underneath it, like when I did like the over fenders and stuff. So like this, for example, we have to redo this section right here. It's actually the underneath layer that's spray paint and it's bringing it up. So we have to seal the whole car. We're gonna be using some white primer, and then we're gonna prep the roof as well. Hopefully we can get that sprayed today, and then hopefully get the rest of the car sprayed later on this week, maybe tomorrow. If not, I have to go to work after that. So in the next few days, hopefully we can get this whole car painted. So we're gonna do that today. Now let's go.
I like everything about it.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are excited. This color is gonna look so nice. Make sure to stay tuned for all those videos because the car is already taped off, so we can go ahead and start painting the body as soon as possible. So let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you guys haven't already. You guys aren't gonna want to sleep on this channel. See you guys next time. Peace out and stay good.